Breaking news. Insurance company says Trump bond rejected due to low fee. Regarding the former president's civil fraud bond, the millionaire who founded the surety company that posted it stated that insurers probably didn't charge him enough. In his appeal of a decision by Justice Arthur Engoron of the New York State Supreme Court, who found the ex-president and others connected to the Trump Organization guilty of deceiving insurers and lenders to secure better financial conditions, Trump posted a $175 million bail on Monday. The court's filing system rejected the bail later the same day because necessary paperwork, such as a recent financial statement, was absent. When asked about the bond's sufficiency later on, New York Attorney General Letitia James voiced her doubts. Reuters published an interview with Don Henke, chairman of the Los Angeles-based Henke Group and owner of the Knight Specialty Insurance Company, which paid a small fee to the former president to agree to post his $175 million bond. Henke told the news agency that the amount was reasonable. The businessman allegedly chose not to reveal the sum, but he did state that Knight chose a lesser amount due to its belief that there was no danger. "We were under the impression that the procedure would be straightforward and devoid of any further legal complications, but unfortunately, that is not the case," Henke stated. "We truly should have charged more." An online organization that deals with small business insurance, Insurian, states that the charge for a surety bond might vary between 1% and 15% of the bond's entire amount. For reaction on Friday afternoon, Newsweek emailed Alina Habba, who is Trump's attorney. "Maybe it's part of the reason he had difficulties with other insurance firms," Henke said during the interview, adding that his company has been getting a lot of emails and phone calls since endorsing Trump's bond. It was a practical impossibility to fulfill the punishment, according to the former president's attorneys, who asked with the New York Appeals Court to reduce the bail amount from Trump's initial $454 million judgment in damages. In an interview with Reuters, Henke expressed his astonishment that James had cast doubt on the bond, saying, "Surprised they're coming down harder on our bond or looking for reasons to cause concerns with our instrument." In a court filing earlier this week, James' office demanded information regarding the collateral the former president put down in exchange for Knight endorsing the amount of the bond. They asked either Trump or the bond underwriter to justify the bond, which might include releasing further details. On April 22, a court hearing was set to go over the bond specifics. Audience members on The View booed Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson when he expressed remorse for endorsing Joe Biden for president in 2020. Early Friday morning, boos erupted following the airing of a brief excerpt from a recent interview with the actor and professional wrestler. The star is preparing to make his ring return after an 8-year hiatus at this weekend's WWE WrestleMania event. In the video, Johnson expressed his dissatisfaction with the current situation in the country and explained that he would not be supporting Joe Biden this year due to his belief that his endorsement of Biden for president in 2020 had created divisiveness. "What Johnson called the smartest decision I could have made at the time was endorsing Biden years ago," he added. "Am I planning to repeat that this year? No, I will not do it," is the response I will give.